Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another parts showcase for you. Today I want to talk about antifreeze. When people winterize their units, a lot of times we get the question, do I have to use RV antifreeze or can I use regular antifreeze? Definitely cannot and do not want to use regular antifreeze, especially if you're filling your lines full of antifreeze. Why? Because it's toxic. Real antifreeze is toxic to humans and to animals. You do not want it anywhere near your water system. What's the difference between auto antifreeze and RV antifreeze? This is not toxic, so it's not dangerous. Now, would you want to chug it? No, but you know, if you fill your lines full of antifreeze, you're going to drain it really well and you're going to rinse it out a little bit, okay? Now, what we do here is we blow the lines out using air. We don't put this in the lines. Reason is we don't like that residue it leaves sometimes, and sometimes it makes your water kind of a little bit foamy and stinky. What do we use it for though? We put it down the sink traps, we put it down the toilet, that sort of thing. But if you winterize your unit, whether you fill the lines or whether you don't, you blow the lines out, you still are going to need some RV antifreeze to put down the sink traps and put inside the toilet so you keep your seal on your toilet nice and wet. A lot of people put some in their black and gray tanks also, just so they have some up against the valve. So again, they keep that valve nice and wet and moist, and it keeps any remaining water there from freezing and busting the valve or hurting it in any way. So we totally recommend RV antifreeze. Never use auto antifreeze in your RV of any kind, okay? Always make sure you use RV antifreeze. You can buy it from us. You can get it from any local RV dealer. Call us if you have any questions at 877-877-4494. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page or follow us on Facebook.